Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade on NoOnes. And for this we go to trade and then we can create an offer right here. Then when we create an offer, we can say that, let's say I have Bitcoin or I have something else, but let's say I have USDT and I want to buy Bitcoin. Then we click on Bitcoin and then we can buy Bitcoin with USDT. Now what we gonna do is we want to set a price. So let's say you make a 10% profit every trade. That is fine for now. And then from now we can click here on place an offer. Then we do accept. And then your offer have been created but isn't visible yet. On my offers page, view the requirements, and then we go to my offer page. And then right now I can tell you that we need a security deposit to make money or create a trade. So first of all, you need to verify your account, but after that you can do it on the way that I showed you, and then you can create a order on NoOnes. I need to tell you also something true, because it's always with a risk, and you want to play the game that you want to buy low and sell high. So this is how you can trade on NoOnes. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.